Tonight is a taste of Greenwich Village in New York City. We're making pan-seared bronzino, and we'll top it with a sauce made from butter, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, white wine, garlic, and fresh chopped dill. The bronzino will be plated with sauteed spinach and couscous and served with a chilled glass of Pinot Grigio. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it.
My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens around the world. During the day, I work for Natalie, a squeezed fresh juice company from Florida. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking.
Tonight is a taste of Greenwich Village, located on the western side of Manhattan in New York City. We're taking a Mediterranean sea bass, which the Italians call bronzino, and pan-searing it in extra virgin olive oil. Crispy skin on the outside and tender flakes of succulent white fish on the inside. We'll make a sauce with President brand unsalted butter, Colavita extra virgin olive oil, fresh chopped garlic, fresh chopped dill, chardonnay wine, and Natalie's lemon juice and orange juice. This delicate and delicious fish will be placed on a bed of sauteed spinach and served with a side of pearl couscous. For the low-carb version of this dish, you can leave out the couscous. It will be tasty, nutritious, and delicious. And why are we making this dish tonight? Well, this week we were in New York City for the Summer Fancy Food Show, the nation's largest showcase of specialty food products from countries all over the world. Restaurants in New York are always full during major conventions like the Fancy Food Show, but we got lucky and found a hidden gem in the heart of Greenwich Village called Rosemary's. Rosemary's has their own rooftop herb garden, and they use their fresh-grown dill to make the sauce for the pan-seared bronzino entree that was on their special menu for this evening. The wine was a perfect complement for our group of 12, and everyone enjoyed this wonderful evening of laughter, music, and great-tasting food, which brings us to our dish tonight. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is 2 fresh bronzino fillets, turmeric, paprika, pepper, and salt, President brand unsalted butter, and Colavita extra virgin olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 to 2 limes and lemons for garnish, 1 large handful of spinach, 5 to 6 sprigs of fresh dill chopped, a small cluster of microgreens for garnish, 1/3 cup of pearl couscous, 2/3 cup of chardonnay wine, a splash of Natalie's lemon juice, and a 1/2 cup of Natalie's orange juice. Our first step is to get the bronzino going. Pour a few tablespoons of the Colavita olive oil into a nonstick pan. Turn the heat up to medium-high. We want the skin of the bronzino to be crispy, so turn your heat as high as you can without burning it. For extra virgin olive oil, that's about 385 degrees. Then put some olive oil in the other nonstick pan, which will be for the spinach. Add salt, pepper, and paprika to the bronzino fillets. Then flip the fillets over and season the skin side too. Place the fillets into the hot olive oil and cook them for 3 minutes. You can leave it on for another minute if you like your skin really crispy. Then flip the fillets over and cook them for another 3 minutes. Remove the fillets from the pan and put them into a sheet of aluminum foil. Add some of the fresh dill, wrap them, and place them into a 170-degree oven to stay warm. In the other pan, place a large handful of spinach into the pan on medium heat. Add some additional Colavita olive oil and a splash of Natalie's lemon juice. Then season with salt and pepper and add in a spoonful of the chopped garlic. Sauté for just a few minutes. The spinach cooks and reduces very quickly. In a pot of rapidly boiling salted water with a pinch of turmeric for color, add in the pearl couscous and cook it according to directions, which is about 8 minutes or so. And now we'll make our sauce. Add a chunk of butter into the pan on medium heat. When the butter melts, add in the chopped garlic and saute for about a minute. Add in the chopped dill and give it a nice stir. Add in the chardonnay wine and bring it to a simmer. Add in the Natalie's lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Then add in the Natalie's orange juice and a pinch of sugar in the raw. Once the sauce is reduced, turn off the heat and add in a chunk of cold butter. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is, a taste of Greenwich Village, pan-seared bronzino topped with fresh dill in an orange lemon wine sauce, plated on a bed of fresh sauteed spinach and colorful pearl couscous. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.